When people think about wildlife in Uganda, they often think about the final moment. Seeing chimpanzees in the forest or coming face to face with gorillas in Bwindi. But before that moment, there is a whole human structure making it possible. Rangers, guides, and trackers do far more than lead visitors through the forest. They read the terrain, follow signs, track movement, interpret animal behavior, and make sure every encounter happens safely and respectfully. In places like Kayambora Gorge, that responsibility means guiding people through a living ecosystem where every decision shapes both the experience and the protection of what's there. It's a role you begin to understand only when you hear it from someone who lives it.
We make sure that we work hand in hand with the community, sensitizing them how it is important to conserve the environment, and as well doing different trainings with them, talking to them about how important it is to conserve these animals and as well as vegetation, so that even the coming generation will come and find when these animals and environment is still existing.
This work does not happen in isolation. It is part of a wider system of protection across Uganda.
Uganda Wildlife Authority, who is the custodian of all the 10 national parks with the game reserves, has a mandate of protecting both the fauna and flora, both in the parks and outside the park, all over Uganda, our country.
From that broader structure, conservation takes shape through fieldwork, patience, and close observation, as it does in Bwindi.
So our work is to start from where we left gorillas. We follow the trails. We follow the footprints of the gorilla. We see the leftovers. We move. So that's what we do.
And that work supports far more than a single wildlife encounter.
So when we are with clients, we tell them the guidelines that they have to follow. When we are with animals like the chimps here in the gorge, there are some guidelines like putting on face masks and interpreting them, their behavior, their social behaviors, and as well the nature, the vegetation, the water bodies, and other animals in the gorge.
It is really important to keep the wildlife here in Uganda. First of all, it brings us income. And as well, this is a tropical rainforest. It helps us in rainfall formation, whereby you find communities surrounding this national park have reliable rainfall, enabling them to do much of the farming. Through tourism and conservation, most people have gotten jobs. We have people working in hotels, we have rangers working in national parks, and other people as well surrounding parks. It has created jobs for people, therefore bringing income to most of the people who are in the tourism industry.
Because protecting wildlife here also means protecting the ecosystem that surrounds it. This is the kind of journey we believe in, one that understands that behind every wildlife encounter, there are people working on the ground to protect the land, guide each experience responsibly, and help keep this balance alive. A way of traveling that goes beyond the encounter itself and looks more carefully at the people, the land, and the fragile balance between them. Because for us, that is where meaningful travel begins.